Alright, let's talk about scales and calipers. This is a scale. I meant to grab my 12-inch scale before I did this video, but it's the same thing. It's just 6 inches longer, right? It really is legitimately identical. It was just 0 to 6 inches. Quickie check a diameter. Looks like about 1.720 somewhere for me on the OD. Inside diameter is about 1 inch, 250, 260. And it's about 675. Deep, shoulder depth, shoulder length, probably 250, 225 somewhere. So that there's using a scale, right? Point 1, point 2, and then however many lines past the 2. Pretty easy. Calipers, same thing. Pretty easy. Check the outside diameter. That's 1 inch, 7. Looks like 47. If I let go and let the pressure release, 47.5. I wouldn't trust it that close though for calipers. Again, you can check even the bigger diameter. Check the overall length. Check the shoulder length. Check the shoulder depth. See there? A little depth thingy there. There you go. 676. So anyway, there's calipers. That's 6-inch set. That's 12-inch set. Same thing, only bigger. It's a cheapo set. Paid probably a third of what I paid for that one. For that. And I think that's all we're going to cover on this one. Watch for the next video. Micrometers.